back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making pecan bars. So let's begin. So first of all, I have some ready-made pastry which I'm going to create a ball. So I'm just going to roll this out. So I've lined the tin with a cross section with the parchment paper. So this is going to help us lift out the pastry. Now I'm going to pop the pastry in. So I'm just going to now I'm now just pushing this in just with my fingers so that it's nice and even. As you can. Okay, this is now done. I'm going to now poke some holes in with a fork. I'm going to now pop this in the oven on a gas mark 5 for about 20 minutes. The oven and it's ready. Now we're going to prepare the filling. So I'm going to add 120 grams of butter. I'm just going to melt this. And we're going to add 180 grams of light brown sugar. So we're going to add 80 ml of honey and a pinch of salt. So we're keeping this on a low heat at the moment. So I've just put the heat up. Now we're going to mix this all together until the sugar is incorporated with the butter. So we're just allowing this to melt. So I've now turned off the heat. I'm going to add a tablespoon of double cream. So I have in a bowl 400 grams of pecans. So we're just going to now pour over the sauce. So I'm just going to mix the pecans in with the sauce, making sure all the pecans are nicely covered. Okay, so that looks nicely mixed in. So I'm going to pour over the pecan and the mixture on our pastry. So I'm just now pushing in the pecans. So this is now ready to go in the oven on a gas mark 4 for 10 to 15 minutes. This is now out of the oven. We're going to allow this to cool down and then we're going to pop this in the fridge. So we're going to allow this in the fridge for about an hour and then we're going to pop this out of the tin and then slice it up. The tart is now ready. I'm going to cut this in small slices. So our pecan bar is now ready. Hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and thanks guys for watching.